Hi, I'm Ajay Peter from Tirunelveli. I'm currently pursuing my degree of BE Computer Science Engineering in National Engineering College, Coimbatore. In this presentation, I will be sharing about the experience I have earned in the free Stack internship offered by the Webstack Academy over the 1 month. Let me tell about the table of contents first. First, I will tell about the overview and goals of this internship, the project requirements and tools that were required to do this internship, a brief explanation on what to do with this internship, a brief explanation on what is full stack and MERN stack. Next, I will explain about the architecture of the MERN stack, and finally, I will explain about the project implementation and conclusion. In this time period, the internship helped us mastering the MERN stack development, encompassing all the four technologies, namely MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. I've had many practical experience on both front end and back end to build a dynamic and responsive web application through this internship. So the main objective of this internship was to become more proficient in the Munstack development and acquire a deep understanding on all the technologies used in this project. So the project requirement. We needed four main tools to implement the project. VS Code is a text editor where we write our code and uses terminal output to run our applications. React is a JavaScript library that helps building our user interface into a web application. MongoDB. MongoDB is a tool that is associated with the backend that helps us to store the database or user data, and it helps in maintaining the document of the user. Finally, Node.js. Node.js is the JavaScript environment that helps us to install many packages and use it to add functionalities to our web page. So let us briefly discuss about the what is full stack development. Full stack is nothing but the integration of both front end and back end, which makes a complete website or a web application. Front end. Front end is a user interface or a visible part where a user communicates with the web application. There are three main languages that makes a web application responsive and interactive. HTML, hypertext markup language, designs the structure or backbone of a web page. Next, CSS. CSS, also known as cascading style sheet, helps us to make our website decorative and creative to style the elements that used in the HTML. JavaScript. JavaScript is a widely used scripting language that make your web page interactive and easy for the user to communicate with. So now see about the backend. Since front end is a user side, backend encompasses the server side of a web page. This is where all the requests made in the front end are processed. It also includes database management. There are many languages used in the backend. Few of them are PHP, C++, Java, Python, in which of these may widely used to process the request and do some specific tasks. Node.js is a open source or a cross-platform environment, runtime environment for executing JavaScript codes. Let's see about the Manstack. Manstack stands out with a widely recognized framework for web development, offering developers a comprehensive toolkit for end-to-end development. Each component within this stack plays a crucial role in shaping the web page or a web application. Let's see the architecture of a MERN stack. In this diagram, we could see the structure of the MERN stack, which encompasses of three main things, namely front end, back end, and the database. Front end includes the front end developing languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, and also it contains React.js, which helps us to develop web applications. In the backend consists of Express Web Framework and Mongoose, which works as a Node.js web server. We could see the React.js Express Web Framework and Mongoose are connected because that is what integrates our front end and the backend. Finally, we could see that MongoDB is used for database management, which is directly connected with the Mongoose. MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database structure data into documents containing key values pair skin to JSON. objects. It's flexible, enables user to define schemas, database, and table as needed. Documents, identifiable primary keys form the foundation for the MongoDB database organization. Next, Express.js. Express.js serves as a framework built on Node.js, streamlining the process of writing the backend codes by providing a simple approach by comparing to the Node.js development. React acts as specializes in constructing user interface, particularly for a single page application and mobile apps, owing to the adaptness in managing dynamic data updates. Node.js furnishes a JavaScript runtime environment, enabling users to execute their code on the servers rather than within the web browser. Project information. In the demo, we will be installing few packages first. That is VS Code, MongoDB, Node.js, and React. Then, after creating it, we have to store the web page and the user's data. Then we have to create a dictionaries for front-end database and the backend. I will show it in the demo video. First, we have to navigate to the front end and have to initialize the pages. And in the back, also without a backend, we can't run a complete web page. So we have to connect the database to the web page. So that will be we will connecting that. And we will be implementing React for the state management. And the futures are the features we used in the web pages are login, sign up, search, and booking from all this I will be explaining in the demo video. Final conclusion. In the Munstack Development Internship has proven to be a enriching and intensive journey, significantly elevating our proficiency and understandable of contemporary web development practices. Throughout the month-long program, we dived deep into the MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js, crafting full-stack web solution from inception to deployment. Through active engagement in practical projects and collaborative exchanges with mentors and peers, we have honored our skills in UI design, backend implementation, solidifying our competence in the realm of modern web development. I am grateful for the guidance and support provided by the Webstack Academy and the mentor Richa Ranjit through this journey. I am excited to embark our future projects and contribute to the tech industry as a proficient Munstack developer. Thank you. Let's now see the demo project. First, we will be, I already opened all the required things. So first, this is code page. This is a backend folder. In this, so let's see the demo of the project. So here we are in the VS Code. These are the source files for the project. In the folders, we can see it in this project starter code. The backend, database, and front end are in the separate folders. So now, if we have to navigate to the front end first, front end, enter. We are now in the front end folder. So if we initiate it, it may take a couple of seconds. So starting the development server. So here is a web page in the local host 3000. This is the home page. We have been connected to the database with the website, so the properties are not displaying. So now if we go to our MongoDB and connect. So this is our database. We have bookings folder, properties, and the user details. So now we have to go to the VS Code. Here we have to navigate to the backend first. Backend. So we are now in the backend. Now we have to initiate this file. We have to connect the DB with the web page. DB connection successful. If we go to our web page and reload, the properties are displaying the rooms and the hotels. We can go to the next page also. These are the available rooms in the website. So I already logged in with my ID. So if you want to delete any users details or anything, I'm logging out and I am here. My college mail ID. I used it to sign in. I can delete this user details also. Delete. So now I am deleted the details of the user. Now if I go to the page, let me get a new user name, Ajay, mail ID, password. Register. Now I have registered with my new mail ID. So here is my name, my mail ID. We can also upload a picture for the profile. So now if I go to edit, choose avatar. I'm inserting this flower image. Okay. So now I have uploaded it. You can see the image here. So here MongoDB is only used to save the text informations only. So here is a picture of a flower. It is a file. So we can't store this detail in the MongoDB. So we are using a website Cloudinary. Here, if we go to the assets and folders, here in this avatar folder, we can see all the pictures I have uploaded in this website. Now I uploaded this flower picture so I can see it. All the pictures you are uploading will be stored in this website. So now we go to our website. Let's log out. If I forgot my password, I can send a requisition mail also. Yeah, send mail. Email has been sent. So if we go to this mail trap website, we can see the requisition. Now click this. We can reset the password here. Reset password. It will open in the new tab. New password. I'm giving another password. Set password. So yeah, I have to log in with the new password. Login. So I have logged in successfully my account. Here's the profile name, profile picture, my name, and my email ID. So these are, if we click the home layer icon, we can go to the home page also. These are the features. So here is a filter feature also. We can change the filter according to our convenience. If I want a guest house with AC and Wi-Fi and I apply filters, these are the properties with the applied features. I can book any rooms in this. If I want any rooms, I have to book a room in Bangalore. If I search property not found, if I give a Goa, Savior Guest House is available in Goa. I can book this hotel also. Here's Savior's Guest House. These are the images of the room and a brief description about the rules and what is the of facilities, is the number of guests. These are the places, either Wi-Fi, AC, and TV. Here is the location of the restaurant. We can see the nearby places. You can zoom in, zoom out to see the nearby places for our route helpings. Now, if we let me show the how to book a room. I selected the dates and the number of guests too, and I'm giving my name, number. So I book this place. Here the card details for money transaction. I'm giving the dummy number. Next. Wait, and I'm giving the CV number. Pay. So the booking has been successfully completed. We can see the total price is 13,500. If we want to know whether the transaction is completed or not, we have to go to a website called Stripes. I have logged in here, payments. So here, 13,500. This is the last transaction I have done. So it has been successfully completed. These are the previous transaction I have completed. So we have booked a room. So if I go to this website, uh, okay. Login. Sorry, sir. Two tabs are in. So if I go to my accounts, if you have any properties or rooms in your place, you can add that place also. You can rent it for here in this website. So if I am giving a house, I want a house area, city, state, pin code. We can add images also. For that, we have to go to here. We have to select copy image address. We have to go to the website and paste it. We have to upload minimum of 5 images here. I'm giving the same images for all this. 4, 5. So I uploaded all the images. Let me give a description. Chemistry professor. Oh, okay. Room type house, room, a single room. I will Wi-Fi available kitchen, AC, free parking, TV. Okay. Max number of guests I have two peoples and 8,000. Okay. Save. So I booked this. I have registered my house in this website. So if we go to this home page, and here you can see the Walter's house. I can book this room also. All the details, description, and the max number of guests will be visible here. Here is the location also visible. I can book this room also. These details will be stored in the MongoDB. Sorry, I have closed the MongoDB. If we go to our website properties, we can see Walter's house here. And see, I created a Batcave for a trial. So just for fun. So here is the Walter's house we have currently registered. All the details will be available in that. So if we go to our website, let's try to book this, what we have book the hotel, what we have created. And here one, and I'm giving my name and the phone number. If I book this room and the expiry date, CV number, done. Here is the payment done. So if we go to our stripes, here's the 2,40,000 because we have booked for a booked room for a long stay. 2,40,000. Okay. I have spread all the details. I think so. So now go to the code of this website. Go to the code. Here we can see the config NV file. This file is where we have linked the websites that we are using now. For example, Stripes, Cloudinary, and Mailtrap. We will connect with this website through this folder. If we go to the Mailtrap folder, we go to Home, Inbox, Show Credentials. We can see the username and the password. Unique username and the password will be given for all the users. So these username and password I will be using here. Here you can see the username and the password. And if we go to our Stripes website, here home, API key for developers, you can see the publishable key and the secret key. Oh, that I entered here. Here is the secret key. Here is the publishable key. So same for the Cloudinary also. If we go to a Cloudinary website, go to here is the API key and the API secret. We have to link it with our web page. So we are using here is the cloud key and the secret key. So that's all about the overall project. We can book our rooms, or if you have any properties also, you can add it in the website. Others will book and you can get some money. That's all about the project. Thank you.